How to stop auto-refreshing on X Twitter. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You will find search button on top right corner of your screen. Click on search button and search apps. You will find apps and notification pop up. Click on apps and notification. Then click on X. After that, simply force stop the app by clicking on force stop. Then you will find mobile data and Wi-Fi option. Make sure background data is turned off. After you do that, simply go back to storage and cache. Clear cache and clear storage. After clearing storage, simply restart your phone. Open X, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to stop auto-refreshing on X Twitter. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.